The growing demand for high-performance climbing gear mirrors how typists and gamers obsess over mechanical keyboards. Climbers want responsive, durable, and reliable protection. When choosing a bouldering crash pad, it's essential to balance foam structure, build quality, portability, and safety.
List number 1. Trifold Rock Climbing Crash Pad with Adjustable Backpack Straps. This trifold crash pad offers serious coverage and portability, ideal for climbers who value surface area without sacrificing transportability. The foldable design covers a wide landing area, and with adjustable backpack straps, it's easier to carry on longer approaches. According to listings, this pad folds down compactly and weighs around 9 to 10 pounds, making it manageable even for multi-pad setups. AmazonPlus1.com. Built with high-density foam, the pad absorbs impact well, though it may not be as thick or luxurious as premium 5-inch pads. The outer shell is made of durable fabric. Some versions use 600D Oxford, giving it decent abrasion resistance. The Velcro closure helps keep the pad secure when folded, and its design provides a relatively flat lay when unpacked, useful for uneven terrain. AmazonPlus1.com. Where it really shines is as a large, affordable coverage option. Its trifold structure gives more ground coverage than typical bifold pads, making it suitable for bigger falls or boulders with wider landing zones. On the downside, the cushioning isn't ultra-thick, so for very high falls or sharp rock landings, you might feel the ground a bit more than with more premium pads.
List number 2. Asana VersaPad, Revolutionary Supplemental Bouldering Crash Pad. The Asana VersaPad is not your typical crash pad. It's a highly versatile supplemental pad designed to augment coverage, fill gaps, and support unique climbing scenarios. Rather than being a standalone fall pad, this mat is intended to be used in combination with larger pads as a gap cover, mitigating the risk of landing in seams or uneven terrain. When unfolded, the VersaPad measures 74 by 44 inches by 3/4 of an inch, giving ample coverage for linking pads or creating a safer, more uniform landing zone. Its thin but durable closed-cell foam provides a firm base for sit starts, making it particularly useful for boulder problems that begin from a seated position. Climbers also use it as a stretching mat, crag hang mat, or even as a lightweight sleeping pad when folded. Transport is made easy. The pad weighs around 3 pounds and folds down to a compact, toteable size, approximately 36 inches by 22 inches by 3 inches, and can even attach securely to other Asana pads via flaps. Though its cushioning isn't designed for big falls because of the thin foam, its strength lies in its flexibility, bridging gaps, filling dangerous zones, and giving you more control over your crash zone layout. Number 3. Asana Hero Bouldering Crash Pad Deluxe Suspension. The Asana Hero Crash Pad Deluxe Suspension version is a reliable, all-around crash pad built for performance and comfort. Its foam core features a triple-layer structure, 1-inch closed cell on top, 2 inches open cell in the middle, and another 1-inch closed cell on the bottom, offering a balanced mix of impact absorption and rebound. Measuring 48 inches by 36 inches by 4 inches when open, and folding down to a compact 36 inches by 24 inches by 8, it's a good size for both moderate and more technical bouldering. The deluxe suspension system enhances transport. Contoured padded shoulder straps, load lifting straps, a sternum strap, and a waist belt make it easier to hike with even when stacked with other pads. On the durability front, the Hero pad uses high-strength nylon for the shell, helping it withstand rough outdoor terrain. Asana's foam layup keeps the pad responsive and protective, and its relatively lightweight for a full pad means you don't have to compromise much to carry safety with you. One standout feature is its piggyback flaps. You can attach supplemental pads like the VersaPad or other crash pads to create customized landing configurations. This makes the Hero a highly modular pad that integrates well into multi-pad setups, giving flexibility for different crag layouts.
List number 4. Mad Rock Mad Pad Crash Pad Mustache. The Mad Rock Mad Pad Mustache is a high-value crash pad known for its thick cushioning, thoughtful design, and comfortable carry system. Built with a 1-3-1 foam construction, it delivers a deep, plush landing feel that many climbers trust for highball scenarios. When open, the pad measures 48 inches by 36 inches by 5 inches, one of the thicker pads in this roundup, offering substantial protection. The taco-style design, single piece of foam, ensures there's no exposed hinge, which reduces the risk of bottoming out or uneven landings in the gap. According to Mad Rock, it weighs around 14 pounds, but the backpack straps, adjustable, plush, and waist chest belt make carry surprisingly manageable. Another clever feature, Velcro attachment strips let you link multiple Mad pads together, expanding your fall zone seamlessly. And when you're done climbing, you can convert the pad into a lounge chair. The aircraft-grade aluminum buckles and strap system make this transformation easy and comfortable. The built-in carpet patch, Magic Carpet, is also very handy. Wipe off your shoes before climbing, or use it as a compact sitting surface.
List number 5. Asana Hero Bouldering Crash Pad Deluxe Suspension. Duplicate entry. Since the 5th item on your list is the Asana Hero Bouldering Crash Pad Deluxe Suspension again, it's worth noting why this pad makes repeated appearances in top picks. Its combination of foam structure, 1-to-1 layering, modularity, and premium transport system make it a standout. As mentioned earlier, this pad's triple-layer foam design ensures a well-balanced blend of cushioning and rebound to protect from a wide variety of falls. Backcountry. Its deluxe suspension system, padded straps, waist, and sternum support, gives excellent comfort whether you're carrying it solo or stacked with other pads. Backcountry. Its durable shell and high-strength nylon construction provide long-term resilience for repeated outdoor use. And with flaps that allow piggybacking with supplemental or other full-size pads, the Hero is extremely versatile. Find this best.